Hi, everyone. I'm Sue Hanley, and I'm really thrilled to invite you to a half-day workshop at the upcoming TechCon conference. The title is How to Maximize Your Intranet Potential with Out-of-the-Box Features in Microsoft 365 and SharePoint. My goal is to introduce you to the features and capabilities that you have that you can leverage already to make your internet successful. We'll talk about how to make sure that you're addressing your company's strategic objectives and how to create a company branded and user personalized experience that takes advantage of the latest and greatest capabilities in SharePoint, Engage, and Teams. We'll also talk about what out of the box really means because some of the capabilities are only available with some premium licensing. And I want to help make sure that you understand when it might make sense to invest in these licenses and maybe how you can grow along the way. I hope you'll take away the knowledge to help decide what capabilities are most important to your organization, where you may need to make customizations so that you can plan accordingly. The workshop will be focused on practical guidance, tips, and tricks that you can use to take these capabilities to the fullest, but it'll also be a great place for you to ask your questions and network with others. By the end of the session, you'll have the knowledge and skills to transform your intranet into a powerful tool for your organization using the amazing features of Microsoft 365 and SharePoint. Can't wait to see you there.